Today we are going to be looking at an incredible model home here in Meyer Ranch. This home in particular is built by Pointe Homes, but before we get going there, my name is Brock.Bremmer. I am your San Antonio real estate agent, and if you are brand new to my channel, thank you so much for checking out this video today. Go ahead and give me one of those thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you'll be notified the very next time I post a model home. I will be sharing more model homes for here in Meyer Ranch, as well as other homes in New Braunfels, San Antonio, and all of the surrounding areas, so you won't want to miss any of those coming up in the future. Now back to Meyer Ranch. This neighborhood used to be an old cattle ranch that was bought by some German settlers back over 100 years ago, and now it is a 700-acre community. Here in this community, there are 6 different builders that are hand-selected for this particular neighborhood. So these are all high-quality homes by great, reputable builders here in the area, and they all have a unique style and layout. So this one in particular today is a tri-point home, and we are looking at the Guadalupe floor plan. I'll tell you more about that floor plan as we get going on the tour here. But a little bit more about the community. It is nestled here just outside of the west side of New Braunfels, Texas, which is a charming little German town that's been growing and expanding rapidly over the years. So the city has a lot to offer, from an award-winning water park, as well as great school districts and everything like that. So if you are curious about the school districts, this is the Comal Independent School District, so you've got some good schools here for your kids. You've also got an incredible amenity center here. It's got a large meeting space, and unfortunately I couldn't get inside at the moment to get a shot of the interior for you, but from the exterior it's a very large meeting space that can be used for parties, family gatherings, and whatever else you could imagine this space being used for. There's also live concerts that are held on the grass nearby, so residents of this area can enjoy live music. There's also a playground here for the kids to enjoy, as well as mini walking trails. So a lot of stuff here for your family to enjoy, and you're just a short drive from San Antonio as well. I mean, it's about a 25 to 30 minute drive to San Antonio. So if you work in San Antonio but want to live in New Braunfels, this is a perfect place for you and your family to enjoy. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop those questions down in the comment section below. I would love to hear and answer any of the questions you may have. If you have a more specific question related to you and your family, please reach out. My contact information is below in the description, and I'll post it here on the screen to make it easy for you. So please reach out if you are looking to buy a home, whether it's this one or any other home in the area. I will be a resource and be able to help you purchase any property here in San Antonio, New Braunfels. So without further ado, let's go check out this incredible home. Welcome to the Guadalupe by Pointe Homes. This 2-story home features 2,797 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, and options for 3 or 4 bathrooms. This model home features lots of options and upgrades to include a media room upstairs with the loft, and the flex room downstairs can be an optional 5th bedroom with a bathroom. Hope you enjoy the tour. Wow, that was an incredible home. If you haven't already, drop your opinions and comments down below in the comment section. I want to hear from you what you thought of this incredible home. This model home was perfect. It has a lot of different things for you and your family to enjoy. It's got a unique layout, and I just love the open concept it's got between the kitchen and the living room there. So if you are looking to purchase this home here or any other home or land in San Antonio, New Braunfels, or the surrounding areas, please reach out to me. I'm your San Antonio realtor, and I'm here to be of service to you and guide you through the home buying. And if you need to sell your home, I can guide you through that process as well. I am here again to be of service to you, so please reach out. My contact information is down below in the description, so if you need it, it is there, and I am available for you. So with new construction homes such as this one, there is sometimes a waiting list, and sometimes we have to wait 4 and even 5 months before we can get you into a home such as this one. It does take a while for these homes to be built, and there's numerous things in the process that could delay it. So please keep that in mind, that if you're looking to purchase something in the next 2 to 3 months, we might be looking at something that is already an existing home. But if you want a new construction and you can wait a few months, now is the time to start getting you in that process and searching for the home that you and your family need. So again, please do not hesitate to reach out. I will help guide you and keep you informed of everything going on here in San Antonio and the surrounding areas. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and give me one of these thumbs up and like the video, as well as smash that subscribe button. It helps motivate me and give me awareness that you are gaining some value out of these videos. I hope you have an incredible day. I'll catch you in the next video.